everyone, it's Girls Hi Jessalyn. I'm here with my little sister Abby.
Hi everyone!
And today we'll be sharing with you Justice's new Halloween boutique items. We have a few of them that we want to share with you and it's going to be so much fun. First we have this llama cord and it's super cool you guys because you can put this on and we'll show you guys what it looks like when it's on, but it's so adorable and I love the colors.
Oh, and we have these masks of flamingo and cat.
Oh my gosh, they're so sparkly. And then we have these super cute costume sets. So there's a llama corn one and then this cat one.
Wow!
And in these sets, it comes with a headband, fingerless gloves, and then there's also this tail, which is super cute. And this attaches to whatever you're wearing. And then we have these wigs. So I'll try on the panda wig.
And I'll try the llama wig.
The panda wig has this super shimmery hair and there's also the ears. One of the ears has a bow on it, which is super cute.
And I really like the llama because it's rainbow and I love rainbow colors.
And then we have the wings. This is pretty cute because this one's like an ombre look and this would go really well with the flamingo. And it goes from pink all the way to orange and then white. The gold one's pretty cute as well. Let's try on these sets first.
Okay.
Now it's time to put on the tail. Okay, I got the mask out of the packaging and I love how this coordinates with the outfit and this is so cute, you guys. How do I look?
You look great. You look great.
Okay, let me put on this for you, Abby.
There's 2 sticks that you can hold on to. I'm a unicorn. I can fly, I can sing, and I can fly.
Whoa. Alright, so I got my panda wig on, and what do you guys think?
It's cute.
I love the ears, you guys, because this one has a bow, and I love bows. Okay, Abby, since you're all llamaed up, why don't you try this llama corn?
Okay.
And good thing these are adjustable so that this can fit you.
Okay.
Okay, show everyone.
I can wear this to school. I'm a llama.
Oh my gosh, you guys. Abby's llama is so cute, and it looks like she's riding on it.
Yeah, I'm riding on a llama.
We're gonna try on the last 2 things, which is the flamingo mask and the wings.
I call it flamingo.
Yeah, Abby's gonna try it on. Okay, so I got the flamingo out, and now we're gonna put it on Abby.
Okay. Whoa, I'm a flamingo.
Now it's time to put on the wings. And these wings have sticks that you can hold on so that you can open your wings out.
Whoa, I'm a flamingo.
And you can use any of these items and Halloween costumes for playtime or dress up. I know Abby's definitely going to be using all these for her dress up.
Yeah.
And you can get these items right now at your local Justice. Isn't that awesome, Abby?
Yeah, it's so awesome.
We hope you enjoyed this video.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
And like I said in the beginning, you can get any of these items and costumes right now at your local Justice. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye!